Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to the shop. I'm Adam, and this is my helper,
Jack.
And we've got another welding project. If you haven't seen, we did a couple of videos already of Jack learning to weld. And now we have a real project that we need to get done. This is going to be a hand railing for Nana's house. And she needs one on both sides of the steps because they're a little slick and we don't need her falling. So Jack's going to help me out. I'm going to do some cutting here real quick. And while I'm doing that, Jack, you're going to paint the shop vac attachment we made. And we'll post that video right up here. And yeah, so if you haven't seen that yet, take a glance. It was a fun little project. And it made our shop vac a lot more usable, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So you're going to paint that for us right now, right?
Okay.
Let's, should we do a little footage of you painting?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, let's get that going.
I'm done. What do you think it looks like?
Looks pretty good, bud. Get it all painted black to match our rigid shop vac. Good job. All right, Jack, here we go. So we've got the first part of the railing cut, and what I did was taped out a side view of Nana's stairs. So this is going to be a 16-inch rise and a 16-inch run, which makes all these 45-degree angles, which just makes cutting it a lot easier. So now we've got all this cut. We're going to clamp it down in a few spots so it doesn't move on us. And Mr. Jack here is going to weld it for us. Sound good, bud?
Yeah.
All right, Jack, we've made some marks where you're going to tack this all together for us using our welder. And then we'll come back once it's all tacked together and we'll finish all the welds and make them nice and solid so that way water doesn't get inside our railing and rust it. Sound good?
Okay.
Okay. All right, put your shield down.
Oh gosh. I'm worried. I don't know how I'm gonna
do that one first.
This is really hard.
Okay. Let's move you. Or do this one right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Oh, this feels good. It's great.
Hold on a sec. All right, here, let me show you real quick. When you're doing it, try to go back and forth just a little bit. Okay?
Back and forth.
Here, I'll do this one. See how that, by going back and forth, it makes more of like a puddle. Well, it kind of burned through a little bit. I better turn that down. Okay. Hold on a sec, let me fix that. Ooh, I don't like this helmet. I need a new one. All right, there you go. You want to come over here and do over here?
Where?
All right, Jack. That is the end of day one. This is going to be our start of our railing for Nana's house.
Yeah.
How do you think we did?
Good.
Yep, me too. I think it looks good. So, good job, bud.